Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making probably the quickest sweet treat from scratch. Brownie in a mug. This is the perfect single serving dessert to satisfy your cravings. So, let's start. In a 10 to 12 ounce microwave safe coffee mug, we'll add melted butter, which by the way, I melted for 30 seconds in the microwave. To this, we'll add all-purpose flour, followed by brown sugar, then good quality cocoa powder, and the next one is optional but highly recommended, instant espresso granules. Now, if we're using unsalted butter, we'll add a little bit of ground sea salt before stirring the ingredients until somewhat blended. It won't be perfectly done. Plus, it will get messy. While we're doing our best to mix them together, we'll warm up a 1/4 cup of milk and pour it into the mixture. By the way, the milk is just lukewarm. And then we'll add a tablespoon of semi-sweet chocolate chips, plus some pure vanilla extract. This time, we'll be able to stir until everything is nicely mixed and there's no pocket of flour or cocoa powder. I'm warning you, it will be very sticky at first, but as we keep stirring, the ingredients will finally all be mixed evenly together. When all this yumminess is nicely incorporated, our cup will be dirty. So we'll grab a slightly damp napkin and wipe the mug because all that mess around the edge will burn, and that's not really appealing. Everyone loves chocolate, so let's add more semi-sweet chocolate chips on top. We'll transfer the mug to the microwave, and on high, we'll process for 1 minute. If it needs more time after that, we'll repeat at 10-second intervals until the brownie is set. We'll let the brownie cool for a couple of minutes before adding a scoop of my delicious no-churn vanilla ice cream, which the link for that recipe is on the top right corner of your screen. And my friends, this is our easy brownie in a mug. So scrumptious, you can enjoy this quick and easy delicious recipe in just a few minutes. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!